Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. In this video, we'll go over how to set departmental prices for items and how to check the list of item prices for each department using the Business Sensor ERP software. Once the software loads the home page, go to the List module and select Bulk Update Sales Price. This opens the Selling Price Management wizard. You can update prices in two main ways, by changing the general or base price across all departments, or by setting a specific price for an individual department. Let's start with the general price update. In the Department to Update section, select All Store. This ensures that the price change affects every department in the system. Next, under Item Category to select from, choose the category you want. Once selected, pick the specific items whose prices you want to update from the Filtered Items section and click Next. On the next page, you can enter the new prices manually under the New Price column, or use the Compose New Price section to let the system calculate prices automatically. To use this option, first enter a number in the Convert New Price by adding field. This represents the value to add or adjust. Then, in the Factor Unit field, select whether that figure represents a percentage or a fixed figure. Next, in the To Parameter field, choose the base for the price calculation. Options include average cost, last purchase price, or current base price. Once you've set these parameters, click Apply. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. You'll notice that the New Price column updates automatically based on your inputs. Click Next, then Finish to complete the update. Now, to set prices for a specific department, follow a similar process. Open the Selling Price Management wizard again. In the Department to Update section, select the department whose prices you want to modify. This ensures that only that department is affected. Next, choose the item category. Then select the specific items from the Filtered Items section. Click Next to continue. Just like before, you can either manually type in the new prices or use the Compose New Price section for automatic computation. Enter a number under Convert New Price by adding, then set the factor unit as percentage or figure. In the To Parameter field, choose from Average Cost, Last Purchase Price, Current Base Price, or the additional option Current Department Price, which appears because this update is for a specific department. You'll also notice extra radio options that help fine-tune how the computation should apply. When done, click Apply. Confirm the prompt. Then click Next, and finally Finish to complete the process. Lastly, to check the departmental price list, go to the Inventory module and select Departmental Prices. The Departmental Selling Price List interface will open. On the right panel, select the department whose prices you want to view. Then click Refresh List to load the complete list of item prices for that department. And that's how to set departmental item prices and view departmental price lists in Business Sensor ERP software. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.